So no doubt about it, our recent tumultuous economic times has us all looking at our financial health and, frankly, our credit.
That's right. In fact, more than a third of Americans found at least one error on their credit report. That's according to Consumer Reports. And these errors can sometimes lower a credit score. Listen to this, Montel, by 100 points and sometimes even more. So
today, to learn more about how to repair our credit, we're with Upuya Sangapulu, who is the Director of Consumer Credit at creditrepair.com.
Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much for having me.
So great to have you. Beautiful name,
absolutely
right?
Beautiful
She's from
name.
Hawaii.
There you go.
Aloha.
Aloha. So it might sound a little basic, but establish why our credit is so important.
It is so important, Montel, and Olga, especially during this period. You know, many people get confused and they think having a credit card, oh my gosh, I have credit. But it's more than that.
Absolutely.
When I think about credit, I think about financial freedom. I think about all the things that we could do to get a great interest rate. And so credit is your financial reputation, just like your social and also work reputation. That reputation is very important because I think of financial reputation, I think about your credit score and how important that is. Creditors' ability to extend credit is based on that financial reputation. And that's why it's so important to have good credit, because you're able to achieve financial goals as of now and getting what you need.
And getting, you know, things that people dream about, a home, a car, I mean, things that are essentials and, again, the dream. So what impacts your credit score?
That's a really good question. You know, there's a lot of things that impact that score, especially when you deal with the 3 credit bureaus, which is Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. In there, it's your length of history, the type of accounts that you have, credit mix, new credit, and also if you've been late in a payment.
So now, how exactly does creditrepair.com work?
How Credit Repair works, we advocate for you. We are with you 110% of the way. And of course, sometimes people get confused with Credit Repair. We're not a debt settlement, or we're not credit counseling. We dispute inaccurate information in your credit report, including also those negative items. And of course, we have Credit Repair has their proven process. Of course, the everyday savvy patient consumer can do it themselves, but why do it themselves when you have us? You know, we have sent 23 million challenges and disputes with the credit bureaus, and this is the best part. CreditRepair.com has helped with over 7.5 million negative items on a credit report.
That's great.
And of course, with the CreditRepair.com, we have partner relationships, data relationships with our credit bureaus.
So it sounds like you're in a very unique position that sets you apart from other companies that kind of promise the same thing and really don't deliver.
Right. We have seen 85% of our Credit Repair member seen an average increase of 40 points in 6 months.
Wow.
However, every Credit Repair member is different in their credit journey. We advocate for you. Consumers can manage the entire process from the beginning when they sign up to dispute. They can do that online or in our app, which has over 1,000 reviews and over 4.8 rating. You get a free score, you get a free negative summary, you get a free credit solution, and you get a free recommended credit solution in helping you achieve your credit repair goals. It all starts off with basic information for your credit. However, it doesn't hurt your credit score. And so that is the information that we need to move this forward.
And if people want to get more information, where do they go?
CreditRepair.com. You can also speak to a live agent or go online or even in our app.
Thank you so much for your time and all the information. I appreciate it.
Oh, you're
Absolutely.
welcome.
Thank you so much for being here, for sure. And of course, if you want more information, you can always go to our website, thebalancing.com.